I'm starting a new project and I'm selecting bottom navigation activity and I'm going to rename the project. I am going to implement Webview using bottom navigation bar in this video. By clicking finish, I am just fast forwarding it to the build project. This project already has the fragment of bottom navigation bar, so I'll just show you how it is by default. So this is home button, dashboard and notification. This bottom navigation bar is present by default as we chose the bottom navigation activity for our layout. Now I'm going to add a web view in the XML file because we have to implement a web view using bottom navigation bar. I'm going to give it ID web. I'm going to remove the text that appeared in the layouts in order to display the web view. See, the texts are gone. This is where the bottom navigation is designed. These three icons are by default in the drawable folder here. If we want, we can change the icons according to a project. In the drawable new, we will create a new vector asset. In that, by clicking click part, the icons will load here and we can choose whatever icon we need, for example, and by clicking OK and next and finish, we can import that icon. But I am going to implement the web view using these default icons. So in the main activity, already the bottom navigation is declared. So I'm going to declare web view here. I've already given ID to the web view, that is web. In the XML file you can see here. Now I'm just going to give the actions to the items in the menu of the bottom navigation. So for that I'm going to use switch case. And by get item ID, we will be used to use them by their IDs. So case 1, that is navigation ID, that is mentioned in the menu folder in the XML file. So we are going to use the same IDs here in order to access them and give them action. So by clicking on that button, the web view will load the web page. For the purpose of this video, I have already links to certain web page. So I'm just going to copy these 3 links in the 3 buttons. So as we have 3 buttons, we will have 3 cases. So this is how it looks after all the cases. Now for web page to load, we have to add certain lines in the manifest XML file, the internet permission and clear text. So after all of this is done, we will run the project and you can see the different web pages are loaded after clicking on different icons in the bottom navigation bar.